Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how I clean my MacBook. This is a 13-inch MacBook, not the Pro, but this is the first version of the aluminum. This is the microfiber cloth that comes with the MacBook. This is the cloth that comes with my spec see-through case. It's not microfiber, but I like it because it's silky and I'm sure that it's not gonna scratch my MacBook. So this is the cloth that I put water in it. This is a damp cloth, just a little water. Make sure that you don't drop anything on the MacBook. So just do a circular motion, just wipe it circularly on the sides, the back, including the Apple logo. Alright, so after wiping it with a damp cloth, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it with a microfiber cloth just to dry it off. Same thing on the sides, back and front. Still do the circular motion. Rub the Apple logo right here because sometimes it's going to leave watermarks, just like the watermarks that you have on your car window. So just rub it a little. It may look that I'm rubbing too roughly, but I'm really gentle on it. I'll go ahead and open this up and clean the keyboard or the keypads. So I'm going to use the same thing. I'm just going to flip it right here because I've used that part already. I want to make sure I clean it on the new side. So do the same thing here on the inside of your MacBook. I also want to concentrate on this part right here and here because this is where you rest your palm. I've actually seen aluminum MacBooks that has dark palm rest. So I want to make sure I always clean it. I also include the trackpad. And I always include the keypads. Because when you use your MacBook, your fingers are oily and dirty. Sometimes you eat something and then you type on it. So all the grams of your finger can transfer on your keyboard. So just do it really gently, not to harm your keypads or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing, just flip it on the other side and wipe it dry. Alright, so let's go ahead and clean the LCD screen of the MacBook. I have this kit for the LCD. This is an LCD cleaning solution. This is by Belkin. Let's see if we can focus that. Yes, this is by Belkin. I think iClear is too expensive, so this works the same, so I got this instead. Also comes with this cute kit right here. On this side you have a brush that you can use in between your keypads, just like that. Fits perfectly. It's made for that. So you can use this to take off any dust, or in my case dog's hair. So just like that, just brush it gently, just like that. On the other side here, this is a cloth. This is actually replaceable. The kit comes with 4 or 5 cloths, so if this gets dirty, you can replace it with a new one. And then what you have to do is just put on 2 sprays on this cloth and you can wipe it on your LCD. I put in 2 sprays in here. Let me just wipe it off with the microfiber cloth really quick. You make sure you support the back of your MacBook. Go horizontal, just like this. That's it for the LCD. I'll also use this for final touches, for edges that are not reached by the cloth. It's mirror-like. See? It's really, really clean. So let's go ahead and focus the key more. Yeah. Okay. I'll let you see how my MacBook looks. So, some sort of discoloration on the unibody. The keypads are really clean, especially in between those keypads. Really nice. So this is what you get if you take care of your MacBook. Yeah, I forgot to mention, I also have another tool that I use for my MacBook. I'm just get it really quick. Sorry, I forgot about this. This is a tiny brush that I also use for the ports, just to dust off the ports. You can get this from your mom's closet. I got it from my mom's closet. Well, I like it because it's really soft. I'm sure it's not gonna scratch any part of my MacBook. So what I do here is just, let me zoom in. I dust this part right here to make sure the dust won't build up inside. And, you know, I don't have to put everything inside, just the outer part. Yeah, that's good enough. USB slots, just like that. I don't know if you can see the dust in there, but there's dust, alright. Okay, I also want to make sure I dust this part right here because it's really hidden. It's not, I can't reach it through my cloths. So really nice and slow. Okay, this part right here. Alright, that's good enough. And let's also do this part right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and close it up really slowly. Okay, I'll go ahead and clean the back part. Again, just wipe it with a damp cloth. You also want to make sure that you concentrate on the rubber feet, or whatever you call this. Of course, wipe it off the microfiber cloth. Just finish it off. And that's about it. Push this, pull it, take it out. That's it. What I do is use the microfiber cloth to clean this, not the damp cloth. You just have to, you know, just wipe it a little. Take off the dust that has built up in there. And take off the battery. Just pull this white thing here, take it out, and just wipe it gently. Pass the cloth right there. And the last one right here is the brush, of course. Just want to dust it off. I never touch this part. I just touch the battery part. I also want to get a compressed air spray. I've seen it on one of the YouTube videos that they have that. I just couldn't find it in my area, you know. Make sure you dust the hidden parts right here. Okay, that's fair enough. Wipe it one more time. Put back the battery inside. Make sure it's tight. Close it up. Make sure it's really... This is my own version of how to clean your MacBook aluminum. So I hope you have enjoyed my video, and I hope you have gotten some tiny lessons or the tips that I gave you on how to clean your MacBook. So good luck to all of us. I hope our MacBooks will last for more and more years. Thank you for watching.